Assalamualaikum.
And selamat sejahtera.
My name is Sinar Azizat binti Awaludin.
My name is Nurul Atira binti Zain.
And my name is Aini Natasha Amira binti Ruslan. We are from Group 4, Practicum S3 K1T2. In this video, we are going to explain about integration.
Integration can be used to find area under a curve.
They also can be used to find area between two curves. Moreover, integration also can be applied in real-life situations.
In mathematics, an integral assigns numbers to functions in a way that describes displacement, area, volume, and other concepts that arise by combining infinitesimal data. The process of finding integrals is called integration. Along with differentiation, integration is a fundamental operation of calculus and serves as a tool to solve problems in mathematics and physics involving the area of an arbitrary shape, the length of curve, and the volume of a solid. The integrals enumerated here are those termed definite integrals, which can be interpreted formally as the assigned area of the region in the plane that is bounded by the graph of a given function between 2 points in the real line. The major advance in integration came in the 17th century with the independent discovery of the fundamental theorem of calculus by Leibniz and Newton. The theorem demonstrates a connection between integration and differentiation. This connection, combined with the comparative ease of differentiation, can be exploited to calculate integrals. In particular, the fundamental theorem of calculus allows one to solve a much broader class of problems.
The process of integration are used in many applications. The Petronas Towers in Kuala Lumpur experienced high force due to winds. The method of integration was used to design the building for strain. Other than that, Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Opera House is a very unusual design based on slice out of a ball. Many differential equations, one type of integration was solved in the design of this building. Historically, one of the first use of integration was in finding the volume of one case, which have a curved surface. Here is one example of real-life problem that require to use the integration method. Ahmad planned to build chicken coop to store 2,000 of his chicken that he owns. He has to get approximately 450 meters per square of land to store them. Determine whether the area of land that he has is suitable with the amount of chicken. Function y equal to x squared was given to describe the area of Ahmad's land.
So now let's draw the curve. The curve is y equals to x squared. And the area that we want to find is between 3 and 11. So the area is between this and this interval. So this area of region bounded under the curve that x exists is equals to the chicken coop that Ahmad has to build. So the formula of area is so A is equals to lower limit, which is equals to 3, and B is equals to upper limit, which is equals to 11, and Y is equals to the curve,
So we proceed with the solution. Based on this formula, we can just insert the value in this formula. Area is equals to the lower limits here must be less than the upper limits. So the value 8 here is 3 and the upper limits is 11. Y is equals to x squared dx. Why dx? Because we want to find the area bounded under the curve at the x-axis. So we integrate, this becomes x cubed over 3 11 3. Then we insert the value, upper value and lower value in this. After we integrate this, the upper value here must be minus with the lower value, becomes like this. 11 cubed over 3 minus with 3 cubed over 3. And finally, we can get the answer 1304 over 3 unit square, or we can get the answer in decimal places 434.67 unit square.
To sum up, by using integration, we can get the area immediately because Ahmad length is curved and there is no standard formula can be measured. Based on this calculation, that we get the area of Ahmad length is 434.67 units square. Is smaller than the area that he need, which is 500 units square. To solve this problem, Ahmad needs to reduce the number of children that he has.